Stop buying spare chairs that become uncomfortable clutter. HDX is the affordable default. Switch to Case Narin for looks or Fermob Bistro for outdoors. Choose by comfort, storage depth, setting, and budget. For most homes, buy the HDX black plastic seat folding chair. Its roomy, flexible seat works well for dinners, holidays, game nights, and occasional work overflow. Folded, its 5-inch profile is easy to fit into practical storage, while the long warranty adds value when buying several. The catch is its plainly functional plastic and steel appearance. Skip it for extended outdoor exposure, everyday all-day seating, or a dining room where spare chairs must look permanent. For design-conscious dining spaces, choose the Case Narin Folding Chair. Its wood construction makes guest seating feel intentional enough to remain near the table, then fold away after company leaves. But this is a serious budget upgrade, and its roughly 7.5 inch folded depth demands more closet room. The 1-year warranty also feels brief for the cost. Skip it if you need an inexpensive group, shallow storage, or chairs for outdoor events. For outdoor gatherings, get the Fermob Bistro Metal Chair. Powder-coated steel suits porches, patios, balconies, and gardens, while the slim folded shape slides into a narrow storage gap. The broad color range also gives you more freedom than basic utility chairs. However, the smaller seat and narrow back aren't ideal for long meals. At 10.7 pounds each, several take effort to move. Skip it if you need roomy, lightweight chairs or want singles, because they're sold in pairs. Quick split. HDX covers affordable indoor backup seating. Case Narin suits a polished dining setup. Fermob Bistro belongs on patios and balconies where slim outdoor storage matters. Before buying, measure the folded storage depth, decide whether the chairs will stay visible, and check how often you'll carry the whole set. Start with HDX if you simply need dependable guest seating without wasting money or closet space. Choose Case Narin when appearance matters more, or Fermob Bistro for outdoor use. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.